For your next art, you have to first blow the balloon to some extent and then you have to tie it from the top. After tying it from the top, you simply have to wrap it like this. After wrapping it, you can make the eyes and a blush effect on the top of it and see how it is working. Make a circle and cut it with the help of a scissor. Now place this sheet in this manner and start placing these small circles over it. After that you can simply place this and you can make a hole and then you can insert this straw inside it. After making it, you can see till now that this cloak is being prepared and you can see how perfectly it is done. You have to take a stick like this and cut them accordingly. After cutting them, place them in this specific position and see how it is working. Take another sheet and roll it. After rolling it, you can place these over here. And after this, you can see that how we have cutted this bottle and placed it accordingly. Now wrap this inside it and see how perfectly it hangs. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.